We're working on the press conference with the Malibu fire chief.
Then we have the children who survived in the swimming pool, the climate change expert. Do we have anyone from the hospital yet?
The nurse is a little skittish. I'm working on her. I'll have a backup, too.
Okay, we still need an upbeat story to wrap up with. I'm leaning towards the Good Samaritan who rescued all the dogs.
Oh, wait, don't you think that's a little bit soft? I mean, I like dogs, but just to end the show.
Well, maybe one of the dogs had an abortion.
What do you have in mind, Bradley?
I don't know, maybe something about the allocation of firefighting resources, how they prioritize which homes they want to save. The numbers seem to show an imbalance towards richer neighborhoods over poor neighborhoods, and maybe that's an unconscious bias, and maybe it's outright corruption, but either way, it's wrong.
Claire actually found a video on Twitter. Some celebrities hired private firefighters to protect their mansions.
Oh, that's kind of an interesting take. All right, can you send me the link?
Yeah.
All right, it is interesting. It might look like we are denigrating first responders, so I'm not sure it's the right tone for us.
I mean, we're a news program. I think our tone is the truth, even when it's ugly.
Oh my God, are you going to do this every day?
Do what?
This I'm so down with the people, superior journalist bullshit. It's really obnoxious.
Wow.
You have no respect for our show or the work that we do here.
Well, I don't need to lie to myself about the quality of the show that you've been producing for 15 years.
Okay, respectfully, we are the #1 morning news program in the country.
Which is why you're an incredible platform to open people's eyes to what's really happening in the world instead of force-feeding them a bunch of glossy garbage that sedates them into thinking their lives are great because they saved some dogs.
Why? So we can all just fucking kill ourselves?
Okay.
Let's give that to the people.
Okay, look.
Jesus.
We're all a little tired, a little hungover.
You cannot
we're
begrudge people for wanting to feel better. It's part of the job. Truth teller, like it or not. Oh.
Well, with all due respect, Alex, I think you and I have different ideas about what this show means.
Okay, I think that we're gonna run with the dog story for today. We will dig in deeper on the private firefighters for tomorrow's show.
Great, thank you.
Okay, great. We gotta get home base locked up. Let's get moving, everybody. Thank you. Just try to get some rest.